If you want to do the threads, the Faden, perfectly, you see it here that it should be a different one at every position. But to make our life a little bit easier, we will model one and then copy it 100 times here around. And I'll just show you a quick trick for that. So the modeling actually quite easy. I take a torus, because I want it to be bent, and scale it down to the size I need. But don't leave it perfect. Actually, I don't need parts down here. But what I do is I insert an edge loop here and then stretch it. So, for example, okay, I have a basic shape. That maybe make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and what will help me here in this case, put it down here. Now I do a multiple edit, duplicate, special, and what I want is, I don't know the perfect number, I just guess around, it's just a guess. Okay, and I want every copy to translate, don't know, I just try, in direction set. It depends on how your model is rotated. I just try with one, then see. Oh, I did it in the wrong direction, and you see my distance is way too high. So again, duplicate, special, maybe 0 point. Yeah, that was a good guess. So maybe you keep your when you do such a little bit too high, but that's the principle of how you can do quick and easy thread seam. And I take of course this I have to do manually. Just switch my X-ray off here so that I see this a little bit better. It really depends on you how detailed you want to do this. So just scale this. So, and I try to organize my scene a little bit because checked my outliner, because this scene creates a lot of duplicates, and actually I don't need them. And I group my whole poly torus in threads. And I also center the pivot, and with Control D I duplicate it and give it in scale, which direction? X. Just with the group, when I type here -1, it switches to the other side, and really depends on you how you modeled it. So maybe you use scale Y or Z. And I copy some of them. I have to group them, otherwise they will rotate itself. So center pivot. Oops. So okay, 4 are enough. So this is the basic work process, and now I save my scene, and at this point I'll try it if a group works, and be sure that you delete your history sometimes, because now I mirrored stuff. Delete all by type history. And now we try to bend it. Of course, it's not perfect. You can do a little bit, for example, here more edge loops, and also here it's too sharp. But I just wanted to show you the basic process. And for the bending, we have to switch in animation, and then go to deform nonlinear bend. Now you get your bend deformer here, and I just check my curvature and see, yeah. Then I have to rotate it in one direction and also another direction. This is here, -90. And it depends on you how your watch band should look like. Could also say that it only bends from one position. You have to play around with the curvature and the size. And I have the feeling it stretches. That's the problem, that there is actually a little bit of a stretch, I think. So where's the curvature going? Okay, so it's your part of experimenting how you will use this bend deformer to create a nice perfect render setup for your watch band. Okay, that's it. I hope you can do the second part on your own. It's actually it's similar, except the holes. Here you do extra geometry. You just push here inside, and this part also just to use extra geometry. And here make it a little bit round, that there would be a place that the metallic parts go inside. But I think this will help you to create your own wristbands. So have fun and bye.